up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Cheryl K. Couture, and it's a what I eat in a day video today. So it is about 11 o'clock. I'm late. Like, I'm just late today. Like, my son had a sleep study last night. I was at the hospital with him all night. I was late to the gym. I was late, just late, child. So I did go to the gym already. I went to Trader Joe's, got some things. So I'm gonna show you guys what goodies I got from Trader Joe's. And I'm gonna make breakfast right now, even though it's 12 o'clock. If you guys are new to my channel, I am on a weight loss journey. So I, share what I eat in day videos, as well as, like just weight loss videos in general. I have a TikTok that I'm going to start posting on more with my, like workouts and stuff. So make sure you guys go check that out. I'm going to leave all that stuff in the description box as usual. But yeah, we're gonna get into some breakfast. I don't know, like I'm not really one of those like super health freak. Like I don't know, like my meals are like, they're simple. Like they're not like complicated, can't find the ingredients type of meals. Like I eat regular stuff. Like I am a regular girl that's just trying to lose weight. I'm not really like that, how do I put this? Like the like aesthetically pleasing lose weight fit girl. I just do what I do. I do what I like. I eat what I like. I try to find healthy ways to eat what I already like. Well, actually, what I'm making this morning, I really was craving a like a BLT or like a sausage, egg, and cheese like from the corner store, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do it in a different way, a healthy way. Okay, so that's what I'm making for breakfast this morning. I just moved into my house, so some things I don't have yet. Like I don't have a toaster yet, so I'm gonna improvise. Just certain stuff I just don't have yet. Just give me a second. But yeah, let's just get into the video. We're gonna do breakfast.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you
All right, guys, so this is my Trader Joe's haul. Oh my God, my voice is so shot. Don't mind it, please. Okay, so I got these pepperonis. I just like pepperonis. I like things to snack on, so I try to find healthy things that I can snack on, throughout the day or whatever. So I just grabbed these pepperonis. They are 140 calories per serving, the serving size being 6 pepperonis. I also saw this chicken fried rice. I love Buddakan. Like, that's my place. I get chicken fried rice at Buddakan every time I go. So I got this because I wanted to try the Trader Joe's kind. Still haven't tried it yet, but when I do, I'm going to let you guys know how that goes. I got some fresh cut pineapples. I also saw this chicken piccata. I'm trying to get my son to eat healthier too. So yeah, anything that I see that he might even think about trying, I'm gonna grab it every single time. So yeah, I grabbed this chicken piccata. This is 160 calories. One thing that I have been doing lately is definitely counting my calories. I count the calories on everything, like literally everything. Calories and serving size. I count the calories on everything. I got this grilled rosemary boneless chicken breast, which comes with brown rice and it's like a wild blend. or whatever. This was actually really good. I already tried this. This was really, really good. It is 390 calories, but that is literally a whole entire meal. Like, it's a whole meal. I am absolutely trying my hardest to stay away from meat. So any type of substitute that I find, I always grab it. This is the spicy jalapeno chicken sausage. I want to stay away from pork as well. So this is 100 calories. And I also got the vegan sausage, which is the one that I made this morning. Now, as you guys can see, just because something is vegan or because it's not meat doesn't mean that it's always the healthier option or the option that has the less calories, because as you guys can see, that chicken sausage was 40 calories less than the vegan sausage.
Whip, body, whip, got it, die, party. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Perico? Sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you told